Oh shit! My boy is the snake master over here. That motherfucker big too, boy. That motherfucker huge, boy. Don't why? No sir. That's a poison snake. Wow, you real bold to get up that close, my guy. That shit hissing and shit.
No, I don't think it's poisonous. They say if they got a round face, it's not poisonous. It's
Oh,
sharp.
look at that shit move. Oh shit. Oh shit. What in the fuck? You gonna take that bit home?
I don't know.
You goddamn, they sell the reptile kits at the pet store. You said it ain't. That's if it ain't poisonous, goddamn. Feed that motherfucker mouses and shit. I wonder if that bitch can swim.
Look, go see if they got that bucket with the cover on it. That short one.
Short bucket.